Hello and welcome to this demo video. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the brand new user experience that we have created for the face sheet and the table of contents in a prognosis encounter. With the changes we have made, we are moving away from the restrictive 9-cell format that we've had so far, and you will see a fresh new look with a new color scheme and consistent new icons. Apart from changing the look, we have also added some interesting features which I will outline today. Beginning from the left, the patient search section now has new icons for the quick access patient list and for the patient search. Moving to the patient band on the right, the patient band can now have a fifth column to have the relevant information displayed. So far, you could configure a maximum of 4 columns, but with this change, you will be able to add the fifth one. The icons to the right of the patient band also have a new look. The colors indicate the presence or absence of data in each of the screens that the icons represent. For example, the gray color indicates that there is no open case associated with this encounter, whereas the yellow icon with the red dot indicates that there is an alert present for this patient. Moving to the table of contents on the left. Besides getting a new look, the table of contents also has some additional features that make it interesting to use. For example, we've added the new collapse icon to collapse the table of contents that allows the user to view the encounter screen in a larger area. While the table of contents section is collapsed, a user can still hover over the sidebar icons and access another screen without necessarily expanding the table of contents. Also, previously visited screens appear with a blue font so as to maintain a footprint. Any options with submenus will have little arrows next to them to indicate the presence of a submenu item. At the bottom of the table of contents, we have the new encounter history icon along with the icons to go to the previous and the next encounter. Moving to the actual face sheet cells. Besides the new look, the face sheet cells will now have some additional features that provide greater flexibility. For example, each face sheet cell can now be resized using the new resize icons available at the bottom of each face sheet cell. We also now have the new fit to area icon that expands the face sheet cell to occupy all space available. Not only this, you can now also drag and drop a face sheet cell to reposition them so that you can see the most important information at the top. The face sheet can now be configured to hold up to 16 cells as opposed to just 9 cells earlier. To configure the face sheet cells, you can contact our support team or your implementation manager. We've also updated the face sheet cells that appear on the third pane to be consistent with the new user experience. The face sheet cells appearing on the third pane will be sequenced based on the primary or the default face sheet in your clinic. Finally, for our customers that use Prognosis on the iPad, we have now ensured that your video meetings run directly from the third pane rather than opening in a separate tab. That was a gist of the changes with the upgraded face sheet. Thank you for watching.